In this video, I'm going to show you how to view replies on the Threads app. Launch the Threads app. Let's give a reply to one post first. Tap on this icon. Now write your reply and tap on this icon to post your reply. After posting the reply, go back to the home page. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. On the profile page, you can see a tab called Replies is available here. If you don't have a Replies tab, check if your app is updated or not. If not, then update your Threads app to the latest version. Go to the Replies tab. Here you can see that the reply I posted just now is available here. In the right corner of the reply, tap on the three-dot icon. In this pop-up menu, you can edit your reply within 15 minutes of posting the reply. You can also save, archive, and hide like and share counts for your reply. If you want, you can also delete your reply. Tap on Delete. In the pop-up, tap on Delete again. Here you can see that my reply has been deleted. In this Replies tab, you can access your replies easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.